Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to discuss bar charts, but they are more customized. Here, we are importing the libraries. Then we are having the categories and values. Here we see the categories and values. We're having 5 categories and 5 corresponding values. Here, I set the size for my figure to be 8" for the width and 6" for the tall. Then we would like to plot our bar chart. In order to do that, for the x-axis I have the category, and for the y-axis we are having the values. In order to choose the colors, we can simply choose one color. Like the previous example, we can say sky blue, and all of the bars will be in sky blue. However, because we are having 5 categories here I inserted 5 different colors: red, green, blue, purple, and orange. So A is going to be, for example, red, as you see here. B is going to be green. C is going to be blue. D is going to be purple. And E is going to be orange. So they're going to take these colors. We learned that edge color will be black, and this is the keyword that we can have it. So you see the edge colors, it's black everywhere. And the line width is 1.5, and we can change it. We change it, for example, we can change it to 5 if we want to test. For example, here you see it's a figure now, but it's not that beautiful. So we go back there, but you can play with this number to get to a number that you like. We discussed the transparency adjustment, which is 0.7 here. And finally, we can have different line styles here as well. So I would like my line style to be dashed. When I have the line style to be dashed, you see that we are having dashed line here, for example, in this example. And in case that we want to have, for example, solid line, we can have the solid line. Then we can have the dashed line again here. We can have like this dotted line. So it depends what we are looking for. We can always play with it. So for the moment, I keep it to be dashed line. And finally, we are having the title of the figure, which is with font size of 14, and it's bold, you see. And for the values and categories, you see that we are having categories and values, and the font size is 12 for both of them. In fact, this is how we can have a more customized version of our bar chart. Thank you for watching.